So is the banded cardinal, so I think. Is he banded? Oh no, he's not. These are very nasty to handle, as you can imagine. There's a male. Come over there if you want. Male cardinal. Beautiful. That's a male because it has the red on the head and very stiff tail feathers for its, creeping up trees. And woodpeckers have zygodactyl feet. 2 toes point one way, 2 point the other. And again, that's to be able to creep up the tree. Been banding here for more than 30 years. We wanted the sort of the scientific reason was to see what do the remnant cottonwood forests still support. Now we're just seeing what's using this area, both migrants and breeders. And we find that we get a lot of, so I had a recapture this morning of I've had 3. I have 2 wrens and a common yellowthroat. So they're birds that have banded here before, they come back here. And it just shows just this one area, how important it is. And if you magnify that by however many areas like this, you can see how important every site is. And the fact that they come back here. This particular area is what they want.